Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you all are fine. Dear students, now come to book page number 133. Today we will identify and write the spelling of 9, and here we write the spellings of 1 to 9. First of all, we will write the spelling of 9. Read with me. N I N E 9. 9 N I N E 9. N I N E 9. Now we write here the spelling of 1 to 9. Firstly, we will write the spelling of 1. Read with me. O N E 1. What comes after 1? 2. Now we write here the spelling of 2. Read with me. T W O 2. 3. T H R double E 3. What comes after 3? 4. Now we write here the spelling of 4. F O U R 4. 5. F I V E 5. What comes after 5? 6. Now we write here the spelling of 6. S I X 6. 7. S E V E N 7. What comes after 7? 8. Now we write here the spelling of 8. Students, read with me. E I G H T 8. What comes after 8? 9. N I N E 9. Now students, it's your turn. Complete book page number. Now students, it's your turn. Complete book page number 133. Allah Hafiz.